morning, friends. So sometimes things don't work out the way you planned, but they work out the way that they're supposed to, I suppose. I wanted to boondock in a city or a town so that I could have internet reception so I could get on Blind Views Live, and well, it just didn't work out. By the time I finally found this place in Artesia, New Mexico, it was like almost 9 o'clock at night, so it turned out this was very lovely. This is not my normal thing, just to park in a parking lot, but it was really very quiet, and I slept really very well. In fact, this morning when I hopped out, there's a big fifth wheel right behind me. I never even heard him come in, so I must have been sleeping pretty good. Had my AC cranking and my fan going, so I wouldn't have heard anything anyway. But yeah, it's been lovely. It is 7:20 in the morning, New Mexico time. This is like 8:20 Texas time, so on one hand I feel like I'm getting out of here late, on the other hand I feel like I'm doing good. I'll show you this laundry room real quick. So when I'm impressed with a place like I am with this place, the best thing to do is to give them a big thank you. And I think the best way to give them a thank you is to go either on like TripAdvisors or Yelp or something like that. Even Google, I think, has reviews. And just give them a stellar review. Give them 5 stars if that's how you feel. Now, I'm not much of one to give negative unless, like with the 2 campsites that I tried to stop at on my way here. I did go ahead and update free campsites and let them know, hey, neither one of them worked for me. So I think that's just a help. That's not really a bad review. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to show you the laundry room and then we're going to get on the road. Let's check it out. They've got little tables for kids to keep busy while moms and dads are doing laundry. Lots and lots of dryers. The cool front load laundry washers. Another little toy and some drinking fountains. You don't see those very much anymore. Yeah, this place is absolutely spotless. Well, there's a sock. Isn't this awesome though? I don't know if the owners of this campground will ever see this video, but thanks a lot for your hospitality. It's been real nice. So, yeah, I think it's taking me on the relief route around Roswell today, but that's okay. I think the aliens actually like to hang out on the outskirts of town. I don't think they like to go to the downtown area, so let's see if we can find some. Isn't this just a perfect landing strip for aliens? Maybe we'll see one fly down. Yeah, maybe not. Alright, so this is Lincoln, New Mexico. It's in the Lincoln National Forest. Smokey Bear Ranger District. And they have something going on today. It says cast parking only, so that makes me think that, yeah. Huh. Alrighty. Let's check it out, shall we? This is kind of cool. They're getting ready for something. Look, it's Disco's dad. Hey, buddy. You're awesome. Thanks. So I just grabbed a barbecue sandwich from Cutter's behind me. Yep, the smell made me go in there. Couldn't resist. The lady at the barbecue place said this is her first year here. They just recently moved to Alto, and somebody approached her and asked her to come do this. I guess it's like Lincoln Days or something. She said they didn't even give her really a schedule. She doesn't know what's going on. She hears there's a parade and she thinks that there's some sort of reenactments going on, but nobody really gave her any info at all. So yeah, very interesting. But I guess a lot of folks come here. The streets are already packed, and let's see what time it is. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. All right, let's try this barbecue. Alright, yep, this barbecue, check it out. I don't know if you can see that, but yum. Very good. just different. Definitely different. It's awesome. Lone Star Rider, you might want to check out Cutters, man. I think you'd like them. Okay, I'm going to see what's next on the agenda. Howdy. Howdy, ma'am. I am in the Old West, y'all. Alright, I gotta find reception so I can pull up the map and figure out where to go next. Real world problems, guys. Real world problems. Try again. Billy the Kid Welcome Center. Well, that's cool. What the heck? I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, I'm really not in a real big hurry to get to a campsite, but yet I kind of am. I can almost feel the rain coming. But that's okay. Cool. Those horse sculptures were amazing. I don't have an artistic bone in my body, so I really appreciate those who do. Very cool little stop. Alright. Getting warmer. It's almost noon, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna head south.
Continue on US 70 West for 36 miles.
So I ended up just kind of tooling around town, checking out Ruidoso for the day. It was a lot of fun. And then I came on down and found my friends here in the mountains. I am a little bit behind in my videos. I apologize about that. Just having a hard time finding time to edit, and there is no reception. We have to go about 20 miles to even get any kind of reception or Wi-Fi. So thanks for your patience, and thanks for watching. Hope y'all are having a great day. I hope wherever you are today, it's an awesome place like this is. Y'all stay lost, my friends.